Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nishan's Jugaad. From today, I am going to upload new videos on the subject Advanced Mathematics 2. These will be helpful for diploma as well as engineering students. The most frequently repeated question is find the angle between any two diagonals of a cube, or show that angle between any two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse of 1 by 3. The solution is very simple. First step is to draw the cube. Second step is to mark the coordinates. Third step is to write the direction ratios of diagonal of a cube. Fourth step is to find the angle between the two diagonal of a cube. Now first let us see how to draw the cube and mark the coordinates. First draw the square shown in dark blue color. Then draw one more square which is shown in green color. Now join the vertices of dark blue square to the vertices of green square. That is nothing but you need to draw EB, CO, FT and AG. Now the cube is ready. We just need to mark the vertices. We need to notice that cube is placed along three axes, that is x, y and z axis. The sides OA, OB and OC are along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. We assume each side of the cube as A units. If any of the side falls on the x-axis, then y-axis and z-axis of that side is 0. Here, the side OA falls on the x-axis. So, y coordinate and z coordinate will be 0. So, it is a comma 0 comma 0. Similarly, side OB falls on the y axis. So, x coordinate and z coordinate of vertex B is 0 and y coordinate is a. So, vertex B has coordinates 0 comma a comma 0. Similarly, the side OC falls on the z-axis. So coordinates of the vertex C is 0 comma 0 comma a. Similarly, vertex E falls on the yz plane. So coordinate x is 0 and vertex G falls in the xz plane. So coordinate y is 0 and vertex D falls on the xy plane, so coordinate z is 0. So first step is over. EG and OF are the two diagonals. We need to find the direction ratio of these two diagonals using the formula. We consider the coordinates of vertex O as x1, y1 and z1 and coordinates of vertex F as x2, y2 and z2, then applying the formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, we will get the direction ratio of first diagonal OF. Similarly, from the coordinates of the vertex B and coordinates of vertex G, we will get the direction ratio of second diagonal, that is BG. So direction ratio of first diagonal OF is nothing but A, and direction ratio of second diagonal BG is nothing but A, minus A. Now, second step is over. Third step is to find the angle between two direction ratio of the diagonals. We need to use the formula of cos theta and substitute respective coordinates of direction ratios in the cos theta formula.
Consider coordinates of direction ratio OF as A1 B1 C1 and coordinates of direction ratio PG as A2 B2 C2. Angle between diagonals of the cube cos theta is equal to A into A plus A into minus A plus A into A, that is equal to A square, since A square and minus A square get cancelled in the numerator, and denominator root of 3A square into root of 3A square will be 3A square, since root gets cancelled. So finally we will get cos theta as 1 by 3 and theta as cos inverse of 1 by 3.